Have you ever surprised your mom or your grandmom with this traditional local oilless okra soup? I know so many African mom love this soup, what we know as grandmom or iye. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for tuning in. Today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful okra soup. Keep watching. Welcome back, beautiful lovers, and here we are going to start up cooking the meat. And this is efuku. I'm going to be cooking this soup with just few ingredients, not with a lot of meat, as in I seasoned this with just Maggi cube and salt. And here the efuku is cooked. So this is how the color is. If you know this, you will know this is how it is. I add my momo and fresh microfish. I love microfish, so I will be cooking it with few ingredients as I said. But if you have more local ingredients like locust beans, what you know as a varie, other dry stock fish, so many things, just put it and make it perfect for anyone you are cooking this soup for. And here I add my Okro, and I just use those things I have in my house. And you can use this soup with every other soup. That is the most important thing why I love this soup. You can add it to your tomatoes pepper soup, to your stew, to your egusi, to your black soup, name it. You can add this as a combination to every other soup you have at home. Yeah, so after cooking the meat, I remove all the meat and I add my okra, and I'm going to parboil this okra with some blended crayfish, some onions powder, and then black pepper. Yeah, so this is it. This soup don't really need so much ingredient, just make it simple and natural. Yeah, so I just make it how I love it, and I enjoy this soup like our grandmom or our iye do enjoy this soup as well. So I'll go ahead and match this okra off camera. Just use whatever I always use my cup to match my okra. So if you have all this mortar, you can use them. So I add my green scotch bonnet pepper. You can use any type of scotch bonnet pepper, like the red one, you can use it, but I decided to use green because I want everything to be green. Oh my goodness. And this soup is so easy, like it's not up to 30 minutes. I finished making this soup and it came out absolutely delicious. I add a little water and I mix everything together, and I'm going to add the other okra which have been blended. Like I blended that part, so I will add it to make it slimy, that is to keep the drawing perfect. So I'm going to mix everything together, and that is it. Oh my goodness, this okra is very sweet. So if you have tasted it and you have made this, and grandmoms or mummies, African mom, they love this soup. Anytime they are coming to visit you, just prepare this soup for them. You will see the smile on their face, like they will love it. They will say, oh my god, thank you for this beautiful and delicious soup. Especially with all this local stuff like momo, stockfish, locust beans. If you have those one, just add it to perfect it, to make it special. So and I enjoy this soup with so many soup I mentioned earlier, especially with stew. Then I add my bouillon cube, what we know as Maggi cube. I did not break it because sometimes it does not melt, so I add water to melt it, and I add salt as well. Then I stir everything together. This soup came out so delicious. Guys, try out this recipe if you have not yet. Try it and you will love it, and you will enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. Amala, as in, just name it, you can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. If you enjoyed the video at last, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, share it to your friends and family. I will so much appreciate it. Thank you as you do. And for my old and new subscribers, God bless you all for the great support. And remember to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye.